Speakers on the back porch, rattling the rafters, knocking rust off the mailbox, blowing dust off the tractor.
Making them dogs running high neath the junk car.
Ripple that shine on the shelf in a clear jar.
Play another song.
Look at all the lights down the street coming on. I like Hank, I like Jones. I keep it cranked up in the honky-tonk zone. From the old school to the new boys, turn that bar stool long neck noise. All the way up, lock it all loud, making every LMA drop it 4 miles around. Tripping the breakers, shaking the acres. When I listen to country, so do the neighbors. Wake 'em up, middle of the night. Blow the subs, trucks pulling in the driveway, dragging coolers in the backyard, doing shots off a hay bale, peeling paint off a red barn.
There ain't no strangers that show up round here.
Come on in, dog, grab you a beer.
I'm about to play another song.
Yeah, I'll keep it rocking here all night long. Pumping that Hank, pumping that Jones. I keep it cranked up in the honky-tonk zone. From the old school to the new boys, turn that bar stool long neck noise. All the way up, lock it all loud, making every LMA drop it 4 miles around. Tripping the breakers, shaking the acres. When I listen to country, so do the neighbors. Wake 'em up, middle of the night. Blow the subs. Come on, Snoop.
On the porch with my homies at my grandma's house chillin'. We in Mississippi, so you know how I'm feelin'. Southern hospitable while eating my edibles. The situation we facing is getting so critical. My grandmother's neighbor drives a General Lee, and come to find out, we both got a family tree that connects us, affects us, so we working together. Never say never, cause you never know. See, I was taught to love, so when push come to shove, I'ma do what I does. You offer me a beer, so I'm offering bud. Light it up, lit it up, don't stop until you get enough. We gon' live it up.
I like Hank, I like Jones. I keep it cranked up in the honky-tonk zone. From the old school